The blizzard of '97. George and AJ. AJ Parish. Andrew Johnson Parish. Now that's teamwork.
You're not going to believe it. I've got some monster in the line.
That snow's got to be at least 3 foot deep. I think they're trying to make their way to the trampoline. And possibly the picnic table over there. They're like a couple of bank robbers that can't figure out how to get to the bank. Here's the house. Looking good. A couple of worthless dogs that didn't want to go outside. Sooty. I see you under there. Chicken. You chickens. It is 25 degrees outside. There's been all kinds of doofy people outside trying to go up and down the street. Guess we're not going to get any mail. It's Saturday.
It's our first blizzard of the year.
There's our old stove. Kitchen look like, because we're fixing to have another one in here. The old floor. The new ceiling that we just got done. Used to be a wall impression up there. We're going to take this cabinet, these cabinets, put them over here while they're putting the new cabinets in. Dishwasher's going to go there. The new stove is going to go where the dishwasher is. The microwave above it. And there'll be all new cabinets underneath. Cabinets over there. And that's going to be a door going to the deck. Yeah, sure. Alright. Let's see how they're doing. Hey. They're making it. They're making it, Patty.
Afford it.
They're getting to the trampoline.
Good.
Isn't it funny, the window with the screen on it doesn't fog over.
That is funny.
They did that on the front too. The ones with the screen, the one with the screen doesn't fog over. Blizzard of '97. Governor's declared a state of emergency. Airport's closed. All the stores are closed. Mail's not running. People are stranded in their cars everywhere. Football game canceled today. Jeff was going to be in.
I didn't even know where you moved the trampoline to before.
Let me see you now.
Trouble finding it.
This is Patty before her back operation.
See?
Yeah. No scarage yet. Let me see, I can't. Oh, there's your face. Yeah.
In our kitchen, old and nasty.
Looking very nice, I must say.
Old and nasty before we get our new kitchen.
Oh, nasty. Okay.
Not me.
No, not you. Okay. I'm gonna go down and see if I can get them a little better
Okay.
through the back door. What a mess. These stairs are gonna have carpet on them. There's some people snowboarding outside. This is gonna be... Wow. This is gonna be the game room down here. Gonna redo all these walls, put a ceiling up. We're gonna tear down this wall because it's built right in front of that window over there, and we just don't need a wall there. We want a big room. It's George's fish. Big fish, very hungry fish. There's a catfish in there and a crayfish in there. Well, there they are. It's almost up to the door. Never seen this much snow. Not here anyway. And this is the 24th or 25th of October. Not supposed to be doing this yet. What is he doing? I'm tempted to go help. Very tempted. Sure, there's some way to set the camera up. The old bathroom. Turn this into temporary George room here. There it is.
You want me to take some footage of you?
Me?
Mr. Videographer?
Nobody wants to see me.
Oh, come on. I want to see you in a billion years. You want to see you too.
Nah.
Smooch.
Nobody cares.
I care. I care.
Look at this.
Nobody
Oh,
cares.
no. No! Hey! You gotta cut the mat!
Use your brains.
Here. I'm gonna go out and help him. Why don't you videotape all of us?
Okay.
Just throw a coat on here.
Okay. I have to find where the thing is. Oh, there they are. Should I come downstairs, honey?
No, this looks much better from up here.
Through the screen?
Yep.
Oh, the other window's fogged up.
There's a screen downstairs too.
Oh. Okay. Boy, you can see the snow is almost up to the fence. We're really packed in here. Dress warm! I have to get a chair so I can sit down while I do this. Ow. See if we can see George coming out. There's the, I think that's the trail they dug through the snow. I got you on tape, kids. Hi. Doing a good job down there. Oh, I have to sit. I don't want to miss anything. But I think George is still getting dressed. Oh, that could be him coming out now. Where's AJ? Oh, there you are. Say hi, honey. Hi. Hi. Oh, that's not honey. That's AJ. I can't see because it's in black and white. Ow. Are you coming out? I can't stand here very long, you know. Well, he's not out in the front of the camera where the camera can see him. Uh-oh. It's okay, Sudie. Having a little technical difficulty here. Oh, I see you down there. You're shoveling more snow. Okay, turn around and wave to the camera, honey. There he is wearing George's jacket. Wishing he was in high school again.
It's gonna take forever to melt. Yeah, I was just thinking you could jump off your trampoline into the snow. But you gotta get the snow off of it first. Oh no. Oh no.
I think it's going to keep snowing all day. But the sun's supposed to come out tomorrow.
Oh, who got this straight line? Who got this straight line?
Well, I'm going to stop this for a little while.
Well, there they are. Brendon,
Angela?
right there. Angela, who's burying AJ's face now.
No, that was the only part of him that survived.
The little head right in the middle is AJ.
They're having a really good time.
I hope he can breathe.
They love seeing the camera on themselves, don't they?
I'll have to go out and videotape him. Sudie, come on. Sudie, come on. Come on. Let's go out and see what's happening. Come on. Skippy. Come on, Sudie. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh! Hi.
Whoa.
We buried AJ.
He's in there?
Yeah.
Where?
Right there. You can barely.
Hey, AJ. Say cheese.
Ow.
What?
Ow.
You sound like a cat.
He's saying help.
Shake your head so I can see your face. You guys. You buried AJ.
Hey, look. AJ, look in the camera.
Are you warm in there, AJ?
Yeah, actually I am.
Oh, good.
Don't taste pretty good.
Does it? Where's Sooty? Sooty!
Maybe a monkey will piss on me.
Hey, a fort. We like forts. Wow.
Brendon and I made it all the way through there.
That's neat.
Oh no, you're not getting out of there. Sorry. Oh yeah? Hi, look, that's AJ.
AJ's snowman is moving. It's alive.
I arose from the...
More of the blizzard of 97.
Hey, have a blow dryer that I could use?
A blow dryer? Not out here.
Oh, darn. I was gonna get it in the blow dryer.
Look at my car.
Whoa.
Look, there's a car parked on top of it. AJ, did you see the tunnel they dug under there?
No, I did not.
It's neat.
Help.
Where's George?
Over here.
Hey, you know what would be fun? To jump off the trampoline into the snow.
We already did that.
Did you?
I already did. Yeah, you did. I jumped off the rope ladder into the snow.
Well, let me see. Do it again so I can get it on this camcorder here.
Snow angel. Oh, city clown play.
Gee. Say cheese.
Jeez. Skippy's out here.
Skippy.
All right, I'm jumping out.
I'm ready.
Hey, Angel.
Don't trip and hit the bar.
What tunnel?
It's the only time you can jump off that trampoline and not hurt yourself. You could fall off of it backwards and not hurt yourself.
I didn't fall.
Gee, stand on the edge of the trampoline and just fall backwards right into the snow.
Skippy's here.
Ah! Skippy, where'd you go, boy? Oh, what did he do to you?
Right here, it's like an ice.
Skippy, what did he do to
Hey,
you?
look out. Whoa. Hold on. Hey.
The blizzard of 97.
My crotch.
El Nino.
I'm so hot. Whoa.
I'm ready. Go for it, G.
Alright, here we go.
Backflip. Just stand on the edge of it like you're on a diving board.
Never mind.
It just went
I'm gonna put it
boom.
there.
Oh, it's getting all wet.
I'm dizzy. What? Yeah. What's this?
Ah!
Oh, my back.
Back snapper.
Okay.
Skippy, go play. Skippy, go on, go play.
Come here. Hi.
It's amazingly deep. Is you guys' yard this deep?
No. Almost. Some parts are.
Oh, this is something.
It's just that ours is mostly covered in trees.
Yeah.
So the trees so most of the trees caught the snow.
Well, that means it's still going to hit the ground eventually. Uh-oh.
Hey, didn't go down. That means it's tough enough to sit on. Can I go back in the snow?
Please don't throw me in the snowdrift again.
I can't get up.
Boom.
Yeah! Oh, man. Maybe I can't get up.
Hey, she's falling and she can't get up. She needs a first alert. Wow, it's snowing hard again. I can't believe it. Can't believe it.
Somebody help me up here. Hey, Dad, watch.
Hey, hey, everybody lay down and make angels at the same time.
I already made one.
Oh, come on, all at the same time, though.
No, watch.
It looked funny.
Watch.
Watch, watch. Angels, angels.
Skippy's eating the snow. This one's walking, see? I'm alive.
A walking angel.
I'm up and I'm alive. Your name is me. Skippy! Okay, I'm sitting up.
How's your gigapet doing? Still alive? Really?
Well, actually, he died.
He died? Whoa, gee! You buried my feet. Ah!
How could we be out here like that?
Like what?
Without. Hey, Dad, take a picture of this. Dad, watch. 1, 2, 3.
No! He's stuck.
Okay, the snow got in my feet. Good boy. Good boy.
Good tackle. They made a tackle, G.
Oh.
Skippy, what did he do to you?
What did he do to me?
Had to get you out of my way.
We're all gonna do snow.
Ah! I'm soaked, I'm soaked.
Ow! Your boat got
No. Go back in.
down.
Hey, I'm crazy. I'm out here with a t-shirt. I'm going back inside. I'm going to tape you from up in the kitchen.
You will die.
Woo! Man, it's cold out there.
I'm gonna have some coffee.
Coffee!
Standing out there with no coat.
Coffee!
What are you, a nut?
I'm a nut. I'm
Some kind of a nut ball
a
or
nature nut. I'm a nature nut. Let me see. I want to get your best side. Oh, gee.
My best side, what's that, my butt?
Well, I think we had fun. There, clean the old lens off there. I think the directions finder's got a little snow on it. Yeah, there we go.
You must have had instant instincts that the coffee was cooked.
Oh yeah,
It came right up on
I knew.
its final sizzling. Here, Smoochies. Warm up that little bot of yours.
Skippy, what are you doing in here? Skippy! I didn't let him in. That means somebody's down there.
Call Skippy out, G. Call Skippy out. Somehow he got in. He's down there.
The blizzard of 97.
The first blizzard.
El Nino. El Nino strikes again. Did you see him jumping off the trampoline?
No. No, I didn't, matter of fact.
It's very cool. You can dive off the trampoline, it doesn't hurt a thing. Did you grab the tripod out of the closet? I'm going to set it up here so that...
Bedroom closet?
Yeah, so that these guys can just have fun and...
Incubate them for about 40 hours, cut a little window in the egg, and then actually try to transplant different parts of the embryonic brain between these different species.
You're a punky. Lucky we have one of those suckers, huh?
Yes. Yes, we are.
Dr. Brendon is one of the research associates in the lab. So what we need to do so I can get a clearer view is I need to get a fairly opaque background behind that embryo.
Can you tilt
A
it?
very precise incision is cut around the section of the embryonic brain called the neural tube.
The neural tube.
The most difficult part of the surgery takes place. The brain section has to be separated from a thread-like structure called the notochord without damaging it. And that notochord is running full.
They're all
here underneath the
slightly stymied whenever the camera's on them. It's a phenomenon called I don't know what to do now. I don't know what to do with the camera on me.
These people transplanted the brain of a quail into a chicken.
Carefully places the quail section into the chicken's brain.
You're kidding.
Did I say that right? A quail brain into the chicken, yeah.
Quail brains
I
into
don't
the
know
chicken.
why, but
The neural tube
they're
should
transplanting
fuse
brains of
together,
animals.
and the embryonic development should continue until birth.
Step until they can transplant our brains into each other.
Did the whole drum.
It's very exciting.
The sun's keeping the sidewalk warm.
Because
Staying melted.
in
I was hoping the same thing would happen in the driveway.
But it's still snowing out there. Big fluffy flakes.
Pretty too, that's why everything's melted.
Look how fluffy those flakes are.
Yeah, the tree branches are loading up again.
creature.
Dan's been out there all day, so he's gonna ride along. I haven't gone anywhere.
Exercising utility.
I got exercise and I got everything else.
Is that the chimera in Greek mythology was a combination of different animals. This is a
They definitely didn't plow Sims. I went all the way down Exposition, that was plowed Kipling, Alameda, and I thought I'd jog up Sim. What a mistake. I almost got stuck all the way up.
Is a chimera.
And in four-wheel drive, because it's probably higher than the
Higher than the car.
frame of the car, yeah.
The difference between chimera
Yeah, I've always said about that car, it's great to have four-wheel drive, but it's no higher up off the ground than anything else, so you get stuck.
But if we need to go somewhere, no problem. We go down Exposition to Kipling.
Coming up Exposition, on that hill, would that
and
be
then
proper?
places the chimera into a clear cylinder where it
Well, it
can
might
be
be
treated.
tonight.
The bird is
Right now,
standing
you go to the
in
store.
Well, we should go to,
And
bring
I've done this
AJ.
because I want the beak to be the brightest object
I don't know if it's
inside the
risky.
cylinder, because there is a video tracking system that has 4 cameras that
And then
actually
we can
tracks
stop
the
off
movement
King
of the
Supers, because
beak
now that I made this
in
cocoa, we're down to
dimensions
less
in
than a
real
half
time
gallon.
and turns it into numbers that might
That's the
be
only
We
thing.
made us some cocoa.
Yeah. Cocoa with schmellows.
His numbers show that the head movement
wow.
of the chimera is the same as the quail. It looks like a chicken, but moves its head like a quail.
Wow. It does what?
It moves its head like a quail, but it looks like a chicken.
Crowing
Hey.
is also measured on the computer. This is a
We got
chicken
out.
sound. This is a
They
quail.
brought a snowplow down Exposition.
Here's
So I
a
can go
chicken with a
Exposition to
transplanted quail
Kipling,
brain.
Oh
Alameda.
my god.
I just
It
tried it.
matches that of a quail.
Took me all day to get the driveway set. How are your
So
streets
why
looking?
do this research? Dr. Balaban can now pinpoint exactly where particular behaviors develop in the brain. He can even find out which behaviors develop together and which develop separately.
Oh. Well, you can stay here.
Can this be done in humans?
Yeah, the neighbor kids came over
Dr.
to
Balaban believes the result of this research
Wall
can
over
be
there.
applied to humans. But as to
Oh, I got the
human
video camera
experiment,
on that.
there will always
I'm
be
gonna
a
send that
donor
tape.
problem.
Tell them we have layers of sweats and waterproof jackets on and stuff.
Next,
Oh, no.
artificial
No,
life.
it's like I might as well
Robots that are truly
stay.
alive.
We're having fun.
Mom,
If you want.
what do you set the groceries at to right now? Putting a few more pounds in the can. Dating a younger man. Listening to the
Oh, no, I just like you
wishing you lived closer. Well, now
Give it
it's
to
time
you.
to find out. MCI introduces 5 cent Sundays, 5 cents a minute, every minute of every Sunday.
All right.
If you're an MCI customer, and if not, become one. Call 1-800.
No, we don't want that.
I wrote this letter.
No, he
Dear
didn't.
Lois, I think the web should be used for surfing and having fun. Not
He
for
said
staying
it,
in
it,
business
it,
or
it.
Mikey Powers.
You know what, Mikey? Guess what? You're a kid. You can't post, you can't write, you can't handle the fact that big companies use the web to save $1 billion. And get the product and manufacture playfair that are fooling around in the industry, right? Who pays for that thing? You got your parents.
They made a really neat tunnel.
You know what?
Yep.
Got it back.
There's AJ. He looks exhausted.
Well, he's not used to all this hard playing.
Yeah.
The science
He just come trotting up to the door.
The world's largest and one of the 10 most savage animals in the world, right in our own backyard. All American animals on Wild Discovery. Every Tuesday at 8 Eastern, 7 Central. Only on the Discovery Channel. Brought to you by 50 Colorado, official sponsor of the U.S. Figure Skating Association.
Did you tell him that AJ's all bundled up and waterproof and layered and everything? Okay.
There he is.
I'm the abominable snowman.
The abominable snowman. We saw you down there.
I kept falling over.
And check out this number. Only 20
This one's frozen.
There he is.
Ready to stand for a while? Hey, could you shave off down on the landing there so you're not trapping your kids completely caked?
Hey, I just talked to your dad, AJ. He said, I talked to your dad. He said you could stay.
Want to? If you have a teenager, you need to stop and listen. Nobody said parenting was easy. Just have.
Take off your hat and just shake it around. Are you going to stay for a while?
There's a brand new hotline.
Yeah, try to keep that upstairs dry.
Raising today's teens.
Okay, shake off your back and shoulders.
Please, before parenting becomes a crisis, call 1-800-475-TALK. Counselors are available from noon to midnight. Just 1-800-475-TALK.
Shake off down there, kids.
Are they done?
You don't look too caked. Gene Angela staying out?
I guess so.
Oh,
Here comes Angela.
one lonely trooper left out there. Come on up and sit at the table, kids. I'll give you some cocoa.
We're doing that. But we're getting on.
Yeah, get out of the wet clothes first. That's a good idea.
Here comes Angela.
That's cold out there. Hey, you know what? Angela, she slid down the slide.
She did.
We didn't get that on tape.
Oh, I did too? Oh, maybe not. I guess that would depend on the head setup.
They may be a lot closer than you think.
Okay.
To create a robot that can survive in the real world, Randy Beer wants to give it what insects have. A simple nervous
His shoelace froze.
Who? Mine was froze too when I came in.
Mine, I can't move.
a cockroach run.
Well, barely. I can barely move my foot.
And
What's the
find its
difference?
way around.
You're using your football socks. Football socks.
It's amazing about all animals.
You're using George's.
You couldn't possibly pre-program an animal
This time we put in.
with all of the contingencies that they will encounter in their lifetime.
A cockroach doesn't have much computing power, but its sensitive nervous system makes it remarkably adaptive, more intelligent than our most sophisticated robot.
Socks are stiff.
Even the intrepid robot, Dante 2, a multi-million-dollar machine, has difficulty walking. How do you tell it what to do if a rock shifts underneath? Exploring a volcano, Dante 2 fell. We still don't know how to coordinate each leg as it moves over hazardous terrain. It makes you appreciate a cockroach. It can effortlessly climb
Where's
a ladder
AJ?
made of
Right
thread.
here.
Oh,
Hey,
still working on getting that
Move
layer.
around underneath it as
Yeah.
it climbs.
I had
And it has to
3
constantly
legs.
adjust where it
Angela, you want
places
some
its feet.
cocoa?
Yeah, this
Take
can
off
be quite a
everything
challenge
down
to
there,
build
okay?
a robot that
They have
can do
any?
this.
So once you get up
How
here,
does a cockroach
stay
do it?
semi-dry.
To find
You
out,
have any
Beer
of those
created a cyber
candles
roach on
that
his computer.
have
It's based on a real
the
cockroach.
poisonous stuff in
The
it?
key to his simulation is that
Poisonous
each leg
stuff.
is controlled by a mini brain of its
I mean
own.
the candle,
The legs
not like
also
one of those
talk to their
candles that
neighbors.
you smell.
When one leg is swinging, it
it's
inhibits ones nearby,
A regular
preventing too
candle.
many legs from being raised
If you
at
have any
once.
marshmallows,
Beer's
put them
program
on
is
something
simple,
and heat them up.
but his cyber roach creates the same intricate talking
Maybe we
beats
got some
we see in real cockroaches.
marshmallows.
Wait, was Sandy sticking out?
Because that, oh,
on his simulation. He designed a nervous system for a robot in collaboration with Roger Quinn, a mechanical engineer, and Holt Shield.
I'm still gonna put your arms.
Okay, yeah, warm up.
Their robot doesn't
Your whole butt is wet.
yet it is one of the most sophisticated walking machines ever designed.
Marshmallows. I'm gonna make a marshmallow man.
You actually somebody driving this thing, there's somebody inside telling you like what to do. But that's not
We need more sticks.
control.
Houston, repeat. We need sticks. Go.
No central program telling each leg how to move.
You're like, oh.
The control is
I like
distributed.
sitting down.
Each
Why?
has its own controller and communicates
I love
only
when
with
they're
its neighbors.
burning Thanks.
The researchers have also given it a reflex to help it survive.
Thank the Lord we have marshmallows.
Just a little more.
Oh, no, I don't want any more.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Say so to the others.
As it swings forward, it's going to hit the bar and lift and raise over.
Mine's already starting to bubble.
You see locusts and you see stick insects do that.
Mine's got yes.
This is just the first step towards the nervous system.
Sort of away from the
Hundreds of other sensors and reflexes.
Oh, man. It extinguished.
Threat.
The fire
Power
extinguished.
source. It's a
No, I this. I found a new fire extinguisher.
Don't touch the thing.
animal.
Don't touch the camera.
With
We
life.
found a new fire extinguisher.
Marshmallows.
Let's see how hot
See.
this is. You threw blow right out. Yeah, bro. Okay, blow it out away from the candle. This time don't get it right to the wick.
Don't set them on fire.
Brendon, let me have a chance. I haven't even set my marshmallow on. Only
One end of the fireplace to come in.
yours is on. Here, here's my fire.
Is your brush working as hard as you? The event China from Overby.
Mine's bubbling. Oh man, mine caught on fire. It's above the flame. It's almost done. Mine was above the flame and it caught on fire. Mine's on two places. Brendon, look. Okay, you can get that away from me. I'm gonna hold to it, Chris. Look at Brendon. Actually, they are all that
Drop it in
down.
your lap. I don't think it's in the hospital. It looks smaller down there.
I'm gonna smolder mine.
Anti-eavesdropping technology.
Look at Brendon's hair. It's like young Einstein. You know?
Then began eat a
Emotions, your
marshmallow green.
They're just chemical reactions.
Sits in the dog.
Man is nothing more than a brain. A brain!
She has a haircut.
No. Oh well, I can make that. That was you know what? I was holding mine above the flame, and like it was just sitting there. Then all of a sudden it started bubbling, and all of a sudden it's just like. I'm gonna try that. Funny. I'm just gonna let mine burn. It starts bubbling. Mine's on fire. Wait, Fred said yours. Oh, I don't want to set mine on fire. I'm trying not to. The ground is starting to bubble again. That's not good. It's starting to bubble. Ah! Oh, cool.
Where's Chris's mom at?
She's at work.
How'd she get there?
Dan took her this morning.
No!
First we got our new truck that has 4-wheel drive. She couldn't take her in traffic.
It's bubbling.
Wow.
She tried, but she couldn't
Holy
get out of the
cow.
car.
Where does she work?
McDonald's. When it crossed from Bill and Taya.
That's not fair. I keep on trying to keep it from bursting into flames, and it does anyway. I don't like mine when they're in flames. Then they're not creamy. I mean, they're creamy, but
Well, actually, inside, if you don't burn it too much.
I know how you just put it right in the fire and then you turn
Look
it.
at that, Brendon.
It just turned next.
The final
Mooching off her flame.
Yeah.
Could robots ever replicate
Hey, don't smoosh out the smoosh the flame.
over many
generations,
It's going up by itself.
more complex behavior on their own.
Ew.
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Dip it in.
The shepherd
I smushed mine. I smushed it.
The pasture is the black circle 30 feet away.
Holy mackerel.
Did you hear that?
The sheep, the one in the white collar,
Like this stuff.
has sensors. So when the shepherd moves alongside, the sheep veers away. And the shepherd's strategy must constantly change because the sheep wanders randomly.
Need to
We
get
may
some on
have
top.
some general ideas about how it can live, but we can't predict the
I'm
exact.
next.
Oh, mine is perfect.
They start again.
That's tasty.
The sheepdog
Soon as
has
Angela's
to
done my
respond
turn.
to the sheep's movement, accelerate in the right direction, but not overshoot.
My tongue.
Records set
You put in your chocolate, AJ.
doing well.
Tastes good.
More often than not, the sheep evades its pursuer.
I'm next, AJ. Shut up. I'm gonna make you incinerate my skin. It does taste good.
The computer create a better herding program. It generates variations and selects the most successful one.
I'm gonna use
Process
Angela's.
known as daily evolution.
Okay, guys, watch. Just start bubbling, then
I
you
want
burst
to
into
evolve a
flames.
new set of rules for the herd.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, come on, what? Mine was really on fire. It was
And a
like
number of generations
I
survive.
know.
At least you're close by the sink, huh?
When you guys stick
It's
it in
out
the
of
flame, it
control.
takes longer, but when you just hold it barely above it, it starts to bubble and it
Usually
looks
set
really
up a
cool.
simulation
Look at the
before
side.
I know.
Top.
Use it. Yeah, use it.
sleep. The programs are evolving. With 100 different herding programs.
Look at the top of mine. Look at me. See if I don't do that. Look at this, AJ.
And allows
You one part left.
to survive. These programs,
Ew, I'm gonna shut that.
their rules are recombined to create offspring programs.
If you hold it right above it, it goes right, it goes, and then, because all the heat comes up there.
Programs are bred over hundreds of generations.
Ah.
Although records set wrote the original herding program, digital evolution has taken over. They are now becoming more that's the theory.
This is the inside stuff.
Learned this morning.
I mean, you bit away the outside first? That's not such a bad idea.
After generations of breeding,
No. I got a really good
I
idea.
get the next one, it's gonna get my first one. Put it in.
I do. You look somebody like someone in my class. Actually, you talk like almost put out the fire. Her name is Misha.
Certainly,
I cut a little hole in it and I'm gonna burn the inside. I need a toothpick. Need a ring my own.
Wait.
I'm gonna burn the toothpick.
billions of years to evolve from single-celled organisms.
I like that. I'm gonna. Where are the toothpicks?
Breeding for less than
I'm gonna make a marshmallow man, then I'm gonna burn him.
digital evolution. Much more complex
Bring us back the marshmallows.
We can probably have one more.
Advanced the way they are.
One more.
What we call
No, you all have plenty.
No, I don't.
Come on.
This is only my
We're
third
getting
one.
close to dinner time now.
This is less than my third one.
turn off the robot. It might be a little bit harder when the robots start dating.
I'm gonna burn it from the inside. My turn.
Where will it end? Mutations ultimately create new life forms we no longer control.
Look at it.
Let's hope they like us.
Die! Burn, baby, burn!
Now it smells like winter. I like the smell of burning mushrooms.
Be the expert and know it all.
It's burning from the inside because they cut a hole in it.
Not a sidetrack. Then movie makers bring the dinosaur back to life on Dinomania, only on the Discovery Channel.
Move it! Closed up now,
You
look.
and Alex go out there and
Move it, boy, you're burning yours. I'm roasting.
But tomorrow that's gonna turn to salt, right?
Move it, move it, move it. I found the hole.
Move it.
In front of the sidewalk, you mean?
Because you're
Because the
open
road,
the
you're not
hole.
supposed to have to do the road, just because
If
it's from the house.
4 snowplows going at once on Alameda, like a staggered pattern, going together.
Whoa.
Fading.
Yours is incinerated.
There's still even this much of it on top.
Don't blow
You still pretty much have to have four-wheel drive.
Move.
Look at that.
Oh, gosh, darn.
Wait, Brendon, let me have that one.
You have to do it in
please.
the circle where it goes over the
You
top.
want this one?
Hey,
No,
Brendon,
I'm
I
burning
burned it
mine.
from the inside out.
Let me see.
And now are you gonna burn yours and eat it?
Oh, look at it. It's disgusting.
Okay, see if that happened to mine.
Mine grew.
It looks like a baboon face or something.
Mine grew.
Hey, I can
Brendon, you just ate
it.
them.
That hair.
Oh, jeez.
Carson.
Oh, look at the inside.
Look, it's
Barry Corbin.
See that?
What is this?
It's called The Hired Heart. It's a movie I've wanted to see for a couple of months now.
Sounds perfect.
No.
Looks like one of those. You gonna play
It's
basketball?
about
Brandon?
relationships.
George signed up for basketball. Yes. Him and Ryan. You meet Ryan? Their kid he plays football with?
at the birthday party.
Yeah.
I'm gonna roast this
You
one.
got another one right there? Melted. That happened naturally. I stepped down, like. Look at that. It looks like a guy's head. A guy's head on a stick burning.
Never always fun. It's kidney dust.
I'm gonna get it at least two.
You want to say that? So that's good.
To the very core of the flame.
No,
Been up all night again. Like senior's gonna wanna know.
Why don't you call that the rain?
I dare you, but one of you guys to burn your stick.
It's a little warmer.
I already did. Marshmallow left. No. Then why would you do that?
I'm gonna roast it. I did as much as I could and it didn't work. And then it just went out. Look at mine. It's jelly like
Boy, it doesn't look right with a baseball cap on.
I figured, well, she starts working.
Come on. No. I hear burning. You're still in Chris.
Alright. I'm gonna stick it here and I'm gonna get a better grip on it. Oh my gosh! It's all crumbly.
She bumped that bull and she chewed. That seemed natural to me. Why that bull and fucking head don't seem natural to me? Well, that's because you're an ignorant savage. See, that's right.
Look at that. Ah, George, look
Show
at
you
that.
some psychology? Now, here's what I want you to do.
Ooh man, it's burning on the stick. He's sentenced burning at the stake. Even like this? Yeah. I bet you're not even gonna eat that. It's probably dead. I still got stuff in
Try
there.
it, cut it open. I dare you to eat that whole thing.
AJ,
What?
did you breathe out there when you were buried on your son?
Yeah.
Wasn't it heavy?
Why don't you give him some horses or something?
Oh, we sat on him.
It's a bit heavier.
We sat on him so he backed down.
Now you know what an avalanche victim feels like.
Holy.
They told me about in town.
Oh,
I swore
I think it's snowing hard.
they were not.
Sorry.
Row your boat.
yeah.
Watch out, man.
Only because the ancient
Wait, it's still sticky. Wait, okay, get it
It's
right
still
in there.
sticky.
to the wounds.
Yeah, hold it like that and then put it over the flame. No, wrong side.
I know, I can't.
Flame kiss.
I know, it's right.
It's evaporating the air inside and making it expand.
No, wait. It's like a giant bubble. Bring it over the
You should
smoke
let it
detector. Bring it over the smoke detector.
Hey guys.
There's a smoke detector if you're still in there.
Oh, I read the little boy cuts all the
Is it working?
Angela.
Should be.
He prefers the little girl to the doctor.
Oh,
There used to be a big hole up there.
Like the
Like the floor, yeah.
It was like that up there too.
Next week, we get carpet.
Well, take out your office.
Yay! Hallelujah!
This stove too.
You still got another marshmallow. It's been like an hour on that one. Yeah, I'm trying to make it up.
Starting to look like a house.
What, the marshmallow? Yeah, the marshmallow.
I'm glad you could.
I can see the light through it. Oh, no wonder it's green.
How much I doubled out there to eat.
Yeah.
No.
I doubled out somebody. Oh, you're touching the wax.
I don't know what you should see it now.
Brendon will.
Why? And who will? Yours go first. They do. Theirs go first.
Lady. Yeah, ladies. No, ladies go first.
Ladies first and theirs go first.
So you gotta go first.
I'm not done making my boom test creation. It jumps. The fire was jumping around in the
George, go get a plate.
You know what happened once? My dad took his little sardines can and put it on top of the fire thing. And there he put an apple on it to start. He put an apple on it to start putting. He put an apple on top of the sardines
Oh man,
can
my
so it
finger's
burned.
black now.
Look at that, we've got a chalk. AJ, he put a sardine can. He put the apple on top of the sardine can, so it would fry the apple so we could eat it.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I'm like, you're just sitting there watching it, and it got so hot it started.
Wait, go get a plate.
Yeah, it started just like that. Get a plate, George.
Yes, and then I'll eat a little piece first.
No, you have to eat it.
Hey, you know what else? That same day we were out there cooking food, deers came out of the woods and just started letting us pet them.
Jeez.
Got it on videotape.
Let's give him this you should have given him a marshmallow like this.
Also, a park ranger came up and said, whatever you do, don't feed the deer.
They were sticking their heads in the cars trying to get
people in
people's
a
food. They
minivan
were
with
so
lots of food
brave.
in it. Came up
They're
and
very
started feeding the
tame.
deer, and they started like jumping into the thing. Oh, that's what those are. Chopsticks.
Hey, you guys, I'll eat a little piece if you guys do.
Where is it?
Just a little piece.
Okay. If he eats a little piece, you also eat a little piece, and then we're gonna throw it away.
No, then you guys go. Okay, just a little piece.
I won't eat any of it.
You don't have
Because it's black.
to. You can get them.
Okay, come on. We will. I won't. Yes, you will. Come on. Okay, let's go. Let's go and goodbye.
Hit the can now. Hit the can now, okay?
Hey, no. I know what George is pointing at. Here, give me the stick. Give me the stick.
You only had that one
Give
more.
me.
No, AJ, come on. We're gonna eat it. You don't have to eat it.
You're gonna give it some to
AJ, you don't have to eat it. Come on.
Angela, don't fall for it. See,
AJ.
Smells like winter.
oh no, it's still white,
Okay, it's yours now. I'm not eating this.
That's gonna fall into
Don't
the
let it drop into the
fire.
can, no. Don't let it drop into the can, no.
Low. Who said I was? Good to see you.
Oh,
Hey, George. George,
what?
don't light the house on fire.
I don't know. Still got a little bite.
Oh, yeah.
Oh man!
One time I actually put a marshmallow in the fire.
Motorcycle?
A snowmobile.
No, you know what? When we were at his apartment.
Where did you get that marshmallow?
I had to get from the last one. You took a handful out of the bag.
I took a handful out of the bag before you took it.
And he already ate them all too.
And he was still burning. Chris.
We got Chris.
That's all with that chopstick, huh?
I don't think I'm gonna be eating with that
Here,
chopstick
use
anymore.
mine.
Oh, cool. I'm gonna make it nice and tender. Hold it up well above the fire, okay? Make it golden.
Make it baby butt smooth. As some people say.
But smooth.
Two black cloves in my book.
I know.
Hopefully it doesn't take as long for this one. Look like a cabbage patch kid. Look like a cabbage.
Yes.
No, you're not gonna get waiting. Okay? No, you're not get waiting. I scorch it little by little.
So you like do that?
My hand nice and sticky. You do, you look like a cabbage patch kid. And you know what I'm gonna do? Boink. Boink.
Maybe AJ fired him.
Boink, boink, boink. It's a plane.
Don't.
Jeez.
This is still on.
Yay! Give me more.
As you would say, you touched that.
I licked my fingers.
Oh, yuck.
I've got something here.
And plus they were soaking wet in the first place.
Oh.
Yeah, were you like?
Oh, yucky go.
Smell bad.
Tastes bad.
Look, these.
Yeah, warm up those toes.
Oh, yeah.
Whoever's done first gets to play Sony PlayStation first, okay? I get
Oh, you can't do that.
Who does get up by first one? Yeah, it's mine. And second player will be the one who finishes first, though.
I'm not sure if I can.
Who's here first? Besides me. Who's second? Who's third? Me. Okay, you go second, you go third, and you go fourth.
They're called
What is the other way around?
polar
He
bears.
actually got here and sat down before I did. I drank the chocolate before
They're
he.
called polar
He
bears.
did, but
It's
you got really
polar
out.
bears.
At my house.
At the house.
That's it too, much nicer than you could probably get at Kmart or Target.
You were third?
Are they?
I got first. At my I was first. You were second. You were third, I think.
Alright.
That's yours. So you're first, you're second, I'm third. So I'm third anyway.
Just wanted to keep your hopes up.
It tastes like I was third anyway, so it
Yeah.
doesn't really matter with me.
I was second anyway.
I was second anyway. You better start drinking if you want to get third.
You told me not to let him in the first time.
No, while you were out there, let him stay out with you.
I should have. You can get a job, guys. Is there anything on my face?
Yes, there is.
How is your face, AJ?
Does your face hurt?
Your face hurting?
No. Oh, it's killing us! Look at me coming
Yeah, it's hot.
Honey, you want me to turn off the recorder now?
No. Yeah.
Somebody.
Either no or yes. How about yes?
Well, yeah, we're not out there, so.